Words about the story of the Jackal and the Sun Child. Part 1. Aware. Aware. If you are aware of something, you know about it. I was not aware of the ringing phone. Badly. Badly. Badly means in a severe or harmful way. He hurt his arm badly playing with friends. Belong. Belong. If something belongs to you, you own it. The blue suit belongs to Paul. Continue. Continue. To continue something is to keep doing it. She stood under her umbrella as the rain continued to fall. An error is something you do wrong. I made an error on my report, so my boss was angry. Experience. Experience. An experience is something you have seen or done. Rock climbing was a fun experience. Field. Field. A field is a big area of land. The field of flowers looked so pretty. Hurt. Hurt. To hurt is to do something that makes you feel pain. She hurt her legs falling down the stairs. Judgment is the ability to form opinions or decisions. It's good judgment to recycle your aluminum cans. Likely. Likely. If something likely happens, it will probably happen. I will likely stay at home and watch TV tonight. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.